Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Diablo Immortal functions regarding offline play. It's important to understand that Diablo Immortal is an always online game. This means you cannot play it without an active internet connection, even when enjoying solo content. The game's core design as a massively multiplayer online experience necessitates this constant connection to its servers. The reason for this online requirement stems from Diablo Immortal's fundamental design. Every time you log in, you connect to a server populated by other players. This enables cooperative play, shared world events, and the game's persistent online economy. Even when you choose to play solo, your character's progress and interactions are all managed through these online servers, making an internet connection absolutely essential. While an internet connection is mandatory, the game does offer a helpful reconnection feature. If your connection temporarily drops, you usually have a window of approximately 10 seconds to reconnect. During this brief period, your character remains active on the game server. Successfully rejoining will place you right back where you left off, minimizing disruption to your adventure. To ensure the best possible experience, always play Diablo Immortal with a stable internet connection. Using a reliable Wi-Fi network is generally preferable to mobile data, which can be less consistent. If you anticipate potential connection issues, try to log out in a safe zone. This practice helps safeguard your character and progress should an unexpected disconnection occur, providing peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.